Hello, welcome everyone to this particular video. So in today's video, we're going to solve the sixth question of the WAEC Mathematics 2026 past questions. So we have here to solve 1 over 3 into k minus 4 minus 1 over 2 into k plus 1 is less than 1 over 6. This is actually an inequality question. So we're asked to find the value of k that satisfies a particular inequality, right? And the first option is that k is less than negative 6. The second option is that k is greater than 6. The third option is k is less than negative 12. And the fourth option is that k is greater than negative 12. Okay, so let's actually try to write this out and solve it. Okay, so let me try to copy this down and let me pick it and bring it somewhere here. Okay, now, so we have some fractions here. We have negative, so we have 1 over 3, we have negative half, have 1 over 6. So what we're going to do first is to try to clear out this fraction. So we're going to look at the lowest common multiple here. So in this case, the LCM here is actually going to be 6. So if I multiply 3 by 6, I can cancel out. If I multiply 2 by 6, I'm also going to be cancelling out. If I multiply 6 by 6, I can cancel out. So I'm going to multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side of this inequality by 6. So every term here, I'm going to multiply by 6. So this is going to be equal to 6 multiplied by 1 over 3 into k minus 4, right? Minus, I'm also going to multiply here by 6 into 1 over 2 into k plus 1, right? It's going to be less than 1, sorry, it's going to be equal to 6 also multiplied by 1 over 6. Okay, so now there is 2 in 6, there is 3 in 6, right? That's 2 times, and there is 3 in 3, that's once. Now there's also 3 in 6, there is 2 in 2, right? Once, and there's also 2 in 6 3 times, right? So and also there's also 6 in 6 once, and there's also 6 in 6 once. So that means here I'm actually going to be multiplying this particular term by 2. So I'm going to have it to be equal to 2 into k minus 4 minus 3, which is this term, into k plus 1 is less than 1 times 1 is going to be equal to 1. The next thing we're going to do here is to actually expand this particular bracket. So 2 times k is going to be equal to 2k, and then 2 times negative 4 is going to be equal to negative 8. Then 3 times k is going to be equal to negative 3k, and then negative 3 times 1 is going to be equal to negative 3 is less than 1. So if I take the like terms together, it's going to be equal to 2k minus 3k minus 8 minus 3 is less than 1. So 2k minus 3k is going to be equal to negative k. And then negative 8, negative 3 is going to be equal to negative 11. That is actually less than 1. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add 11 to both sides. So it's going to be equal to negative k plus 11 minus 11, which is this 11 here, is less than 11 plus 1. Right, so 11 minus 11 is going to be equal to 0. So I'm going to have it equal to k, and then 11 plus 1 is going to be equal to 12. So we have that negative k is less than 12. So what do we have to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. But then when we multiply the terms of inequality by a negative number, then the inequality sign has to change. So that means that if I multiply this particular left hand side and right hand side by negative 1, right? I'm actually going to change this from left hand less than to equal to what? To be greater than, so that this is actually going to be equal to 12 and then multiplied by negative 1. So negative k times 1 is going to be equal to k greater than, right? 12 multiplied by negative 1 is going to be equal to 12. So the answer in this particular question is option B. So here is a mock question for you to solve. It says solve half into n minus 5 minus quarter into n plus 1 is less than 1/8, right? And the first option here is that n is less than 7. The B is n is greater than 7. Option C is n is less than 15 over 2. Option D is that n is greater than 15 over 2. To solve the particular problem and give me the answers in the comment section. If you like this video and did not subscribe, please help me subscribe to this channel and also help me share this video with your colleagues so that they can also learn from this video. So much further ado, I'll leave you to eat that maths is easy. You have a nice day. Thank you.